Here again in Elk Lighting with Jason Evans, and looking at a very unique designer fixture called Viewbronze. And this is a cast bronze with huge crystal droplets. Tell me a little bit about this piece.
So this collection is handcrafted in Portugal. It has 5 50-watt GU10 10 lamps. And yes, as you can see from the design of it, it's 53 inches wide, 79 inches high. It's a very unique designer piece. The crystal is hand formed. It's a cast bronze body, and it comes in 3 finishes: silver leaf, gold leaf, and Talia bronze.
This is not something you're going to see all over the place, obviously. So for a real unique setting, Viewbronze is to be considered.